Hello people and welcome back to Code on Dashcam channel. We feature only the latest and most epic road encounters caught on drivers dashcam. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes and are there to help you learn from other drivers' mistakes. This one is going to be full of all sorts of road craziness, so make sure to sit back and enjoy the show. In our first video, we have a reckless scooter rider who thinks he owns the entire road, or at least he behaves like it. Just a piece of advice. Even when the traffic lights turn green, always wait a few seconds to see if there are any red light runners. There are more and more of them on the roads and we need to keep ourselves safe the best way we can.
You need your pucker buck, you want your holding bow, you need the starfish to shine brighter than the North Star, well, it introduces you to the shiny hiney. With a flick of the wrist, you're good and clean enough to smooch. Full-size brush heads ensure that you get the...
In this video, the camera got blocked off by a semi-truck driver not once but twice. For some odd reason, the semi-truck driver didn't want to let the camera pass him by, so he started swerving all over the road, putting himself and everyone around in great danger.
The same exact story every single time. The story I tell makes absolutely 1000% sense. It all makes sense, bro. And I don't worry, Hogan. So, bro, with that being said, man, I just want to say this. Man, bro, it was so bittersweet seeing my father off at the airport, and that's not the way I envisioned it, bro.
Camera caught a rude neighbor Karen who did something really childish. As soon as she entered her driveway, she got out of her car and threw some trash in the neighbor's yard.
Beyond affordability. That's why Comcast is building a network of digital navigators. Local individuals will help connect people.
No, no, no. How that works.
Because she cramped everything in today. I'm like confused most of it. So yeah. Okay, thank you.
Alright, I'll let you back.
Bye.
In this video, the camera caught some really rude and reckless moves made by some crazy drivers. Purpose of these clips is for you to pay close attention and try to learn as much as possible from the mistakes made by these drivers. We should all do better in traffic for our own sake and for everyone around as well.
It's not the government, but it's just as damaging as the government. When the town square is Facebook, and Facebook is going to benefit tremendously inside of a primary, is undoubtedly true. Okay, so
what should we expect to see on Tuesday exactly?
That's a great question, George. This is unprecedented. I don't know. I've done a million arraignments in that courthouse with celebrities and whatnot, but this is a whole different thing.
Perhaps enroll history on Tuesday. Because if Donald Trump takes him up, John, which he likely will do, if that happens, that's going to end up on every Republican shirt, will end up on every Democrat. He was elected to stop Donald Trump from being president, and he kind of implied that he would step down before a second term, because he don't got it. The dude, he's so old that in his campaign launch ad, he does not appear for more than 3 seconds at a time. It's all in audio.
Administration is going to do everything that they can to protect LGBTQI plus people who are under attack.
It keeps going by the way. LGBTQI plus minus divided by sign. Again, the whole goal here is the traditional.
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Claude on DashCam channel. I hope you enjoy watching and learning something as well. If you like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Until the next one, drive safe.